The dromedary camel stands as one of nature's most extraordinary achievements, a mammal shaped by time, heat, and scarcity into a living blueprint for survival. Known for its single hump and towering silhouette against desert horizons, the dromedary is far more than a symbol of arid lands. It is a finely tuned organism whose every feature reflects adaptation to environments where life itself seems improbable. The evolutionary roots of the dromedary camel stretch back millions of years, far beyond the deserts it now inhabits. Early camel ancestors evolved in North America, spreading across continents before disappearing from their place of origin. Those that survived adapted to increasingly dry and open landscapes, gradually developing the traits that would later define modern camelids. As climates shifted and deserts expanded, camels did not retreat. Instead, they adapted, embracing extremes that drove other species into extinction. Domestication of the dromedary occurred thousands of years ago in the Arabian Peninsula and surrounding regions. Humans quickly recognized the camel's unmatched endurance and ability to traverse vast distances without water. Long before roads or engines, camels formed the backbone of desert trade routes, carrying goods, people, and ideas across continents. Entire civilizations rose and connected through the silent, steady movement of camel caravans. Physically, the dromedary camel is a masterclass in biological efficiency. Its most famous feature, the hump, is often misunderstood as a water reservoir. In reality, it stores fat, a critical energy source that can be metabolized when food is scarce. This process also produces water as a byproduct, contributing to the camel's ability to survive prolonged dehydration. By concentrating fat in a single location, the camel reduces insulation across the rest of its body, allowing heat to dissipate more effectively. Water management defines the camel's physiology. Dromedaries can lose a significant percentage of their body weight through dehydration without suffering harm, a tolerance that would be fatal to most mammals. When water becomes available, they can drink extraordinary volumes in a single session, rapidly restoring balance without damaging blood cells. Their kidneys and digestive systems are optimized to conserve moisture, producing highly concentrated urine and dry feces that minimize water loss. Heat resistance is another cornerstone of camel survival. Dromedaries allow their body temperature to fluctuate throughout the day, reducing the need for sweating and conserving precious fluids. Thick fur insulates them not only from heat but also from cold desert nights, creating a stable internal environment amid dramatic temperature swings. Long eyelashes, closable nostrils, and tough lips protect against sandstorms while enabling the camel to feed on thorny, salty plants avoided by other herbivores. Behaviorally, dromedary camels are intelligent, deliberate animals with strong memories and clear social awareness. They recognize individuals, remember routes across featureless terrain, and learn from experience. Their often misinterpreted temperament reflects a balance between patience and self-preservation. Camels do not waste energy on unnecessary movement, they respond when action is required and conserve when it is not. In harsh environments, efficiency is intelligence. Social structure among dromedaries varies depending on environment and domestication. In the wild or semi-wild state, camels form loose groups, often led by a dominant male during breeding seasons. Communication occurs through vocalizations, body posture, and subtle behavioral cues. These interactions help maintain order and reduce conflict, ensuring group stability in landscapes where resources are limited. Diet is another key to the camel's success. Dromedaries are generalist feeders, capable of consuming dry grasses, shrubs, and thorny vegetation with high salt content. Their mouths are lined with tough papillae that protect against injury, allowing them to exploit food sources inaccessible to most herbivores. This dietary flexibility reduces competition and supports survival in environments where plant life is sparse and unpredictable. Reproduction in dromedary camels follows a slow, deliberate pace. Gestation lasts over a year, resulting in a single calf that requires extended maternal care. Young camels grow slowly, learning essential survival behaviors through observation and experience. This prolonged development produces adults that are resilient, knowledgeable, and well adapted to desert life. Human reliance on dromedary camels has shaped both species. Camels have transported spices, silk, salt, and gold across deserts, enabling cultural exchange and economic development. In many regions, they continue to provide milk, meat, fiber, and transportation. Camel milk, rich in nutrients and resistant to spoilage, remains a vital resource for desert communities. Modern challenges threaten the future of dromedary camels in subtle ways. Climate change alters vegetation patterns, while mechanization reduces reliance on animal transport. In some areas, overexploitation and poor management compromise welfare. Conservation efforts now focus on sustainable use, genetic diversity, and recognition of camels as integral components of desert ecosystems rather than relics of the past. Ecologically, dromedary camels play a role in shaping desert landscapes. Their grazing patterns influence plant distribution, while their movement helps disperse seeds across vast areas. By existing where few large mammals can, camels occupy a unique ecological niche that supports broader desert biodiversity. The dromedary camel is not merely a survivor of the desert, it is a product of the desert, shaped by heat, scarcity, and time into a living system of balance and endurance. Its story is inseparable from human history, yet it remains deeply rooted in the natural rhythms of arid lands. In a world facing increasing environmental extremes, the camel offers a powerful reminder that survival is not about dominance, but about adaptation, patience, and respect for limits.